Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to check and change your screen resolution on your Windows 11 computer. So screen resolution is the clarity of text and images displayed on your computer guys. Just right click on the desktop and select display settings. Under the scale and layout, set this scale to 100% or the recommended one. Change the size of text, app and other items will be large or decrease size like this. You just need to change it guys by your option. And display resolution, adjust the resolution to fit your computer display. You just need to set, you have a recommended one, you just need to set it guys. If you don't have a recommended one, you just need to change like this. And this is keep changes, click on it, it will be changed. Click on revert to get back to the original state. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.